pray for us, everyone. Please pray for us. Me and my baby, everyone that stay in the apartment building, we stuck right here. Please pray for us. I'm asking y'all, please pray for us. Pray for Abigail, please. I'm begging y'all. My baby's only 4 months old. Please pray for us. I'm begging y'all, pray for us. The apartment building as we stay in, the whole roof came off. We standing right here. People trying to make it to the other side where this white house is, but some people the water just took them, and those are the only people that got to make it over there.
Hello, how are my cutie cues doing today? I missed you so much. Today we are doing giant king crab legs, you guys. I haven't had king crabs in a really long time, so I actually had a really big craving for king crabs today. And also, today's video is dedicated to the people of Bahamas. As you guys know, Hurricane Duran has really tore Bahamas up, and it is so sad, you guys. So today, that's what we're going to be talking about, bringing awareness to Hurricane Duran and everything that's going on in Bahamas today and right now. Our hearts and our prayers and thoughts are with the people of Bahamas. Shout out to you guys. I also want to give a moment of silence to the people who have lost their lives in the hurricane. So we're going to go ahead and do a moment of silence right now. Okay. So, you guys, I had a lovely supporter reach out to me, and she wanted to know if I could do a seafood video in dedication to the people of Bahamas. And I said, absolutely, that's a great idea. So that's what we're doing today. I just want to talk to you guys and tell you some of the things that she said that's going on there. And it is just, you guys, I didn't even know, because I knew the hurricane was bad, but I didn't know it was as bad as it is. And it has been. We'll get into everything. I have some links down below of where we can donate. I've already donated, you guys, and we're going to talk about that today. But first, let's just get into these delicious king crabs. Oh my goodness, you guys, I have not. And I have water here, and I have some sauce here. It's just butter, seasonings, garlic, onion powder, garlic powder, lemon pepper. And I put a lot of vinegar in it because I put a lot of vinegar and hot sauce in it because that's really what I've been having a taste for, vinegar and hot sauce. So. So you guys, I do not watch the news. I do not watch television. I am going to get cable though, you guys. I did decide that I wanted to go ahead and get cable after so long. So, So, I am going to get cable. But, like I said, I don't know what's going on. I just hear it, I don't know, like on social media, through YouTube, whatever, something like that. I'll hear it through that, but I did not know how bad this hurricane was, you guys. She reached out to me, and I thought it was a great idea, and my heart just sank. It sank when I seen the damage that hurricane caused. You guys, that hurricane destroyed, completely destroyed these people's homes. It destroyed everything. And as I'm looking at the video, I'm just getting so emotional. People have had to move to Florida, and they have people, the people who survived the hurricane, they are in like a holding place. They are in a safe building. They need food. They need water. They need basic everyday supplies. And it's so sad, you guys. It's bad. It is very, very bad. And I just feel so bad for them. You guys have to understand that if you have never been affected by a storm, you really got to count your blessings. We really have to be thankful for what we have. I'm going to talk more about it toward the end of the video. So good. It has red peppers in it. A lot. I made it spicy. The babies need milk. The parents need food, water. The conditions in Bahamas right now is not good. It's not good. And if you live out there, or if you have family that live out there, or anybody that has passed away that you know, my thoughts and my prayers are with your family. It is so sad. I had no idea. I had no idea. So I think I have a link down below where you can donate. She left me a link down below to where you can donate anything, any amount will be good. $5, $2, $3, anything that you can do to help. They really, really need our help. The news hasn't really been covering it, how bad the damages are. And they just really, really need help, you guys. I hope you guys are counting your blessings. I hope you're being thankful for all that you have. Stop complaining about little things, as people are going through way worse conditions and situations than you are. It's going to take a very long time to rebuild their country, but I know they can do it because the people of Bahamas are strong and they can overcome anything with the help of God. It's a very hard time for them right now. And I just feel terrible that I didn't know. I really do. I mean, I knew the storm hit, but I had no idea. When she was sending me those pictures of how bad it was, I'm just like, how come nobody knows this? How come more people aren't talking about it? You know? So sad. Poor babies. Hey. Thank you. Thank you. This meat is so good. Ooh. Oh. So, the message that she sent me, she said the 2 islands in need are Grand Bahama and Abaco. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. She says Abaco has been completely devastated. There are just a few homes left standing. Hundreds of people have died. We still need help with rescue and getting people off the island. I was able to evacuate, get to Florida, so I'm here with family, but thousands of people have lost their lives and everything. We need food, clothes, baby items, feminine products, anything that you can send. There is a major relief organization in the Bahamas called Head Knowles. They can be found on Facebook. They can receive items and distribute them. They also have a GoFundMe page. People can donate or send items and drop off at the drop-off location with Head Knowles attached. You guys, she sent me pictures. She sent me so much stuff. It is just so sad, so sad. And she said they do have some organizations that are helping, but they're only giving like a little bit of food for like families. You can have a family of 5 or 6 and they're only giving you like 2 bottles of water and a little pack of ramen noodles. You guys, they really need help. So I'm going to leave all the links down below. If you can send any money, $1, $2, $3, anything would really help these people out. They really need help, you guys. And I am just so sorry that they're going through this. My heart is broken. And if you guys have any family or anybody in the Bahamas, anybody that's been affected by this hurricane, our hearts and our prayers are with them, you guys. And I'm going to go ahead and go. I'm pretty much done eating. I love you guys so much. Please check out the links down below, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another video. Bye.